Alright, I got the saw blade basically on the end of my trimmer. We're going to go up and cut some weeds and see what we can get done. This is a little more heavy duty than the basic string trimmer that I've got. This will take down some pretty big weeds, so that's what I need because the weeds are getting a little out of control. So I'm going to go and cut them all down today. Alright, I'm back out here, gonna get the rest of these weeds that I started on last week. I will post a link to that video up here. It's last week's video. It is warm today. It's pushing 90 degrees, and that trimmer's pretty heavy with that extra blade on the end. You wouldn't think so, but it is. I am going to head back home and maybe do some more walking with Dad. We're gonna go walk some more beans, just get stuff cleaned up. That's what it takes. I gotta do some mowing today too at home. Tomorrow we're going to be doing a bunch of sweet corn at my place. We're going to be canning some of it, and I say canning, but we put it in bags and freeze it. And so I got to get the yard ready and clean the house a little bit and do all that fun stuff. Alright, we're out here in the cornfield, going to be picking some sweet corn, and we will can it and freeze a bunch of it for the winter, and we eat it year round. But here we are. I'll show you the sweet corn. All the short corn out here is sweet corn. It just doesn't grow as tall. And we're gonna pick a bunch of it and get going. This is our electric fence out here. This is to keep the raccoons out because they will destroy this very quickly if we don't protect it. The electric fence just runs off of solar, then it runs to the fence, and if the raccoons touch it, they get a nice little shock. So that keeps them out and keeps our sweet corn available for us. the chicken. Well, it is about 9 o'clock on Wednesday night. We just got done with corn, sweet corn. It was a long day. Everybody came out and helped. It was great. Pretty much my whole family was out here, which was awesome. And we made a whole day out of it. Had lunch and supper and everything. A lot of corn, a lot of kids running around. It was just good. I'm going to end the video here. It was a long day. Don't know if you could tell or not, but I'm a little tired. And we are gonna get this video edited and out for you. Tomorrow I got men's league for golf, so if anybody needs some sweet corn, you know where to find it. Let me know. Come on out and get some if you know where I am. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching another Scott Family Farms video. See ya.
You lighting? Thanks. Stop! Oh my gosh!
She thinks it's not recording.